What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and today I'm going to show you two of the easiest ways that you can remove a background from a photo. So both of these methods are going to be completely free to use and extremely easy to learn. So let's get started. So the first way to remove the background from a photo is by going to the site Removebg. So they have an app for this which you can download on your phone, or you can just go to the website. So right now I'm on Chrome and I'll just search for that. So you'll just have to click on the first link over here. The best part about this is that it's completely free and you don't have to give them any details. So you don't have to sign in or anything like that. So now what you've got to do is just upload an image. So now to add the image, you can copy paste it, or you can drag it, or just click on upload image, which is written over here. So now you can see that my photo has come here. And if I just click on original, you can see that there are many things in the background, from the trees to the buildings to the cars. And now if I see the picture without the background, everything's gone. So if you compare this with the original, over here you can see that the edges are sharp, which is good, because some others, they might smudge it or something like that. But over here it's sharp and I feel that they've done a good job. Now they also have an option to add a background over here. So if you just click on edit, so that's written over here. Then over here you have many options, from blurring it to adding a photo or a color behind. So if I blur it, this is what they'll do. Then if I want a background of a city, I can put this. After that, if I just want a solid color, they have all of those options over here. But the only downside of this is that you can't download in HD unless you give them your details. So if you're fine to download a little lower quality, so they haven't reduced it much, you can see the differences in the size over here. But if you're fine with that, then I really suggest you use Remove.bg, because over here they do it extremely fast. Plus, if you see the edges, like I mentioned earlier, they've mostly remained the exact same. And now to download it, you can just click on download. And now it's downloaded. So I'll just open it and I'll show you how it is. So this is the picture, and if I just zoom in to see the sleeve, so you can see the details over here. And personally, I feel that it's quite good. So this is the first method. Now I'll show you the second way. So in the second method, we aren't going to use any external website, but we're going to be using Paint 3D. So this should be installed on your PC, but if it isn't, you can just go to the Microsoft Store, and after that, search for Paint 3D. So again, this is completely free to use, and it's a Microsoft software. So this is how it looks. You'll just have to install this, and after that, open it. So now I've opened it, and just click on New. So the biggest advantage of using this is that the picture quality is much better than all of the websites. So again, I'll show you how to remove the background. So you'll have to insert the photo over here. You can either drag it or copy paste it. After this, you'll have to insert the photo. So you can either copy paste or you can drag it from your files. So now I've added the photo over here, and what you've got to do is click on Magic Select over here. After this, you'll have to crop out all of the background and only keep the subject. So I'm going to try and only keep myself, and I'll remove as much background as I can. So once you're done with this, just click on next over here. And now you can see that they've made some selection, and this isn't very accurate. So to make changes, you have options to add a selection or remove some selection which they've made. So as you can see over here, they've added some part which is behind. And to remove that, what I can do is just click on remove, which is over here. And then I have to just draw a line on that part. And now you can see that it's gone. So the same way you'll have to make these changes. And if you want to make some changes which are extremely minute, then you can zoom in by moving this bar on top over here. So as you can see, they haven't added a part over here. So I've selected add, and now I'll just select my hand which is over here. And once you're done, just click on done over here. So now to remove the background, what you've got to do is just select the subject and then move it to the side. After that, you can select the background and then just delete it. So right now I've done this in a bit of a hurry, which is why the edges aren't that proper over here. But even then you can just erase it and then it'll be fine. So once you've made all of your changes and you've got your photo like this, what you've got to do is just click on the menu button over here. So this is on the top left. Then click on Save As. Then Image. After that, select PNG. And then just make sure that the box which is next to transparency is pressed. and you can see that they've removed the background. Just click on save. They'll ask you where you want to save it. And now it's done. So I'll quickly show you how it looks. And this is how it will look. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.